Today I will be making Kake Mango Delight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First off, take a whole box of super cake. If not available, then take any type of cake snack. Then arrange them like this in a glass serving dish. Take 1 cup of milk and add in 4 tablespoons of condensed milk in it. Mix it together. Pour the mixture on the cake. Pour 2 tablespoons of condensed milk on the cake. Now set it aside. Now take 1 kilogram of mangoes and chop into pieces. Throw them into a blender and blend. Set this aside too. Now take half a kilogram of whipping cream. Beat it until it is fluffy and thick. Add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Beat more. Now pour in the mango puree and beat it again. Pour the cream on the cake. Spread the cream evenly. Add some pieces of mango on top. Pour in another layer of cream. Spread it evenly again. Now decorate the surface with the leftover mango puree and make a design of your choice. Now your cake mango delight is ready to eat.